Welcome to the NSE E-Digest Quarter 2. NSE University Challenge attracts 300 students. African Exchanges Linkage Project onboards 30 broker firms to facilitate cross-border trading. Introduction of new single stock futures on the derivatives market. NSE holds its 68th AGM. Botswana Stock Exchange and Ghana Stock Exchange join the African Exchanges Linkage Project. NSE and Risk Insights collaborate to drive sustainability in East Africa. NSE hosts inaugural conference for finance leaders in Kenya. The NSE and AIB Access Africa closed the flagship University Stock Market Challenge. In the 3-month challenge, students received free training from experts, continuous guidance, and the chance to participate their newly gained skills in the virtual market through the Nairobi Bows Virtual Academy. The winners of the challenge were Agnes Movie with 359% growth in investment, Lukman Mohammed with 321%, and Kennedy Mwangi with 296% growth respectively. 7 students from Strathmore University Business School and Strathmore Institute of Mathematical Sciences took the top 10 positions. The African Securities Exchanges Association, ASEA, is inching closer towards integrating the African capital markets by facilitating cross-border trading and free movement of investments in the continent. The facilitation of cross-border trading will open up the markets to a diverse portfolio and investment opportunities. Brokers and investors will be able to access a variety of asset classes available in the markets of interest. Increased and regular cross-border trading is expected to enhance liquidity in the African Exchanges Linkage Project AELP exchanges. The AELP is a flagship project of ASEA and the African Development Bank aimed at facilitating cross-border trading among 7 participating exchanges and the select broker firms. The NSE announced the introduction of additional single stock futures. The addition, which brings the total number of single stock futures offered to 10, follows a review of the eligibility criteria for admission of single stock futures to the next derivatives market. The addition of single stock futures is a significant step in the development of the next derivatives market and the advancement of the capital markets ecosystem in Kenya. The NSE held its 68th virtual annual general meeting. The AGM, among other business, approved a second special dividend of 50 cents per share, resulting in a total special dividend of 1 shilling per share, the first of which was paid in December 2021, and a final dividend of 40 cents per ordinary share in respect of the financial year ended 31st December 2021 to members on the register by 3rd June 2022. Board changes, retirement of a director. Mr. Paul Volant, non-executive director, retired from the board on 3rd June 2022 after serving for 6 years. Appointment of directors. The board announced the appointment of Mr. John Nepo as an independent non-executive director and Ms. Carol Karaoke as an independent non-executive director. The African Securities Exchanges Association, ASEA, admitted the Botswana Stock Exchange and Ghana Stock Exchange to the African Exchanges Linkage Project. Speaking on behalf of the steering committee, the chairman Dr. Edo Kosi said the admission of the 2 exchanges is a demonstration of the importance of enlarging the community of exchanges integrated through the AELP. As we have added 2 members to the current 7 exchanges, we hope that in the coming years more will join as we seek to have increased participation in the capital markets integration. The project has been built around selected securities exchanges that have gone through market preparedness assessments conducted by ASEA. NSE formalized a partnership with Risk Insights, the best ESG data provider in Africa, to provide access to ESG ratings, ESG disclosure information, ESG news and strategic business intelligence to the NSE-listed companies. This collaboration is timely as companies in Africa move to measure and report impact and sustainability performance for multiple stakeholders. The NSE, through its strategy, aims to drive ESG transition for the national economy and is well placed to support businesses and other organizations with their ESG efforts and initiatives to unlock value for clients, shareholders, stakeholders, and the wider society. NSE hosted its inaugural NSE CFO conference, which brought together finance leaders from leading companies in Kenya and the region to deliberate on equity and debt financing opportunities, provided by public capital markets to fund the growth and expansion of companies in Kenya and the region. The conference equally offered insights on emerging issues as environmental, social and governance matters that continue to influence capital allocation decisions by investors, as well as other developments including green bonds, real estate investment trust and unquoted securities platform. The CFO conference will be an annual conference NSE will be hosting for finance leaders as it seeks to highlight financing opportunities for companies in Kenya through public capital markets.
On other highlights, the NSE hosts a delegation of members of parliament from the Malawi National Assembly who are keen on getting deeper insights into how CBK's policies affect the performance of the exchange. NSE launches Quarterly Barometer, a quarterly snapshot of local, regional and national economic trends and latest news at the exchange. World Economic Forum New Champions South Africa chapter launch, where NSE championed the role of SMEs in sustainable development. Sustainable Energy Conference, which brought together more than 500 industry leaders from around the world, including government agencies, development partners, diplomatic missions in the region and international organizations in the region and from across Africa to ideate and drive critical renewable energy development strategies to help catalyze the growth of the global energy sector and enable accelerated economic development of Africa. Structured Finance Forum, where NSE spoke about green bonds and opportunities to finance sustainable infrastructure while building resilience to climate-related shocks in the country. NSE meets with Forefront Management to discuss the future of technology in the capital markets. SME Link Forum, highlighting how is the NSE structured to help SMEs raise capital.
To send your feedback or inquiries, email us on info@nse.co.ke.